For those who are new to this channel and asking how to download HackTools, visit the website starfallcircle.com. Then scroll to the very bottom. There you can also earn income, more than $1,000 per day, just by sharing the HackTools link. This is what the HackTools application looks like. This application does not require root, because it attacks directly through the server side. This application can hack 95% of online applications and games on the Play Store, except for banking. This is the latest generation of the obsolete Game Guardian application. This application comes from the most secret community on the dark web. If you are already premium, the display will look like this, and it's not locked. Let's go straight to the tutorial. But sorry, because using Indonesian currency, not dollars. First, open the game. Here my coins are 200,456. Open HackTools again. Then select the game you want to hack. Then fill in the number you want to hack. Then press search. Here I change it to 99999. Then apply. Wait for the loading to finish. And boom! Let's withdraw right away. Wait a moment. Boom, successful. Okay, that's it for the tutorial. See you next time.